Crypto arbitrage is very profitable and easy to execute. That is if and only if you have opportunity to the right tool. Look at this, guys. If you buy this trading pair, that is nice USDT, if you buy it from Poloniex, as of now it costs $0.00076,707 from Poloniex. If you buy and go to MEXC to sell it, right now it costs 0.0014 at MEXC. You buy from Poloniex, transfer it and go sell in MEXC. Look at your potential profits, 80.23%, $331.64. You will hardly spot this kind of profit gap if you are trying to do this on your own. But if you can make use of the right tool, it will help you to spot the opportunity out and you execute it as fast as possible. You see the spread, 82.06%. Most people think crypto arbitrage is too complicated, too risky, or already dead. I used to think the same until I started using a structured arbitrage setup that completely changed how I approach crypto trading. So in today's video, I will walk you through how I personally use crypto arbitrage in a practical and educational way. No hype, just real examples and clear explanation. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational purposes only. I am sharing my personal experience and examples to help you understand how crypto arbitrage works. This is not financial advice and results can be varied depending on market conditions, skill level, and risk management. Many people enter crypto hoping to buy low and sell high, but the market doesn't always move in one direction. Sometimes price goes up, sometimes price goes down, and most beginners get confused or emotional. The biggest problem I noticed over the years is this: people don't struggle because crypto is impossible. They struggle because they don't have structure, speed, or the right tools. So that is what pushed me to look deeper into crypto arbitrage. Let me explain crypto arbitrage in a simple way possible. Crypto arbitrage means buying the same cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange and selling it at higher price on another exchange, taking advantage of the price difference. Now, here is the truth. Manually checking prices across multiple exchanges is almost impossible. So that is why I started using Arbitrage Scanner. One of the things that make me to like this tool is this, that is Arbitrage Scanner. It helps you to track price difference across multiple exchanges at the same time, very fast. 2, it shows opportunities very clear instead of guessing. You will see everything live and I'm going to show you. The third one is that it's a manual tool, that is your phone stays under your control. The last one is this: no API connections, that is no bot is touching your account. So it makes me love this tool very well. In fact, I have to subscribe. I subscribe to their premium subscription. To get access to this, just check the pinned comment or description to this video. It will take you straight to this website, and from here you can click on sign up button here. To create your account, put your email, Telegram or WhatsApp number, put your password, confirm password, then tick this one, then click on sign up. Or alternatively, you can click on sign up with Google. When successfully signed up, as you can see, you get to this homepage interface. You can check their subscription. Just click on this subscription and then check their plan. They have 1 month plan, 3 months plan, 6 months plan, and 1 year plan. So you can start with $84 per month, or business, that is $166 per month. This is the one I am currently using, that is business. And if you have financial capacity, you can go for platinum, which is $337 per month, or go for enterprise, which is $676 per month. So for everyone, you make payment once every 3 months. So you can read further about the benefits for each plan. Now, to scan for trading opportunities, just click on this arbitrage products. Then you see this drop down menu, you see arbitrage scanner, click on it. So from here now, you will see results based on what is here now. See results here. See arbitrage opportunities, see profits. So you can filter everything from here. You see exchange for buying. You know, it's not about buying from one exchange, then transfer to another exchange to go sell for profits. So here now, you can filter out based on the exchange you are currently using or you have access to. Come here now, click here. Then you can click on clear all. Then select those you have accounts with. Select them. I don't know your location, the country you are watching me from. Just carefully select the one you have access to. You don't need to struggle going to each exchanges to go look for arbitrage opportunities. No, this tool will help you track the profit difference. You only just to check, see opportunity, then go and utilize it. And if you like, you can select all. That is, you have account with all exchanges. The same thing applicable to this one. Exchange for selling, exchange for buying. You are selected. Okay, I am buying from here. Now I want to sell here. This is the place now. So you can select it also anyhow you want it. The same way. Whitelist of currencies. Input the currencies in the format like BTC, ETC, WTH in this field so that only the spread for these coins will be displayed in the screener. I usually leave this one, but if you want to utilize it, you can use it. Then blacklist of currencies. So the same thing here. Minimum transaction amount, you can put it here. Maximum transaction amount, you can put it there. Minimum profits and maximum profits. You can put minimum profits. Let's say minimum profit is $1 to maximum profit is, let's say, $15. So then click out. So anytime opportunity comes, you will see it here. This profit side, you will see it there. Just be checking profit and spread. Also, you can click on these white filters, then see other things you can filter out from here. Just check, then you are going to get result here. You see that it's very simple. I utilize this to make a lot of money here. Although most times I usually clear minimum profit, maximum profit, just checking through if I see any opportunity that comes here like this. If I see good profit potential here now, I usually come here now. You see this time frame here. I usually click here, then click on this do not update so that it will help me pause the current opportunity I'm seeing. Then from there, I can scroll down, then drag this to the right so that I will be able to see further details about the current opportunity I want to utilize. You see profit, you see spread, you see lifetime, you see network for withdrawal. It will also help you to put network for withdrawal. They will even give you the amount, the fee they will charge. So you see now, you are trying to send from one exchange to another. It may not be always free. So it will tell you the network you will use for transferring that particular coin. And they will also let you know the amount it will cost. So it helps you to see everything, to be able to see total profit you are going to get. It's not like you get something unexpected. So this have helped you to see the future you are about to see yourself, because this is AI. So are you seeing everything now? Look at the network using for this one, Sui, and so on. See the network for this one, Wemix. Let's go and check other features they have. We are done with the arbitrage screener. You can still click on arbitrage perpetuals. So also you can see, you can filter out from here. This is for futures trading. So if you're into futures trading, this is a great opportunity for you guys. Are you seeing it? The same way. Then arbitrage scanner, this is another feature. Click it. Then you can put details so that they can help you to scan. The next one is Dex scanner. Click it. The same thing. It will help you to scan it. Now, coming to this place, now this is funding raise. Click it. This works well when the market is moving sideways and regular trading becomes difficult. So these strategies are not about predicting price direction. They are about market structure, which is why I find them useful as parts of a balanced trading approach. So you can go through it. You see our exchanges, you see the coins. Now, coming to this website now, you are not alone. You have multiple support system. One, check the pinned comment. You see link to go join their community. You'll be updated with their regular informations. Two, you can click here. Look at this on Telegram. Yes, you can go join their community. You can also connect with them on WhatsApp by clicking this one here. You see WhatsApp icon? Click it to go connect with their support for inquiries or whatever. And they also have AI assistants. You can click here. So this is their AI assistant. Ask anything you want. They also have wallet analysis, sentimental analysis, message services, NFT scanner also. Now, guides and cases. This is very interesting. Let me click it. You are going to see they have blog. Now see their blogs, see the update. They put update every time. Now they have tutorials. Click on these tutorials. This is very, very important. You have challenge in one way or the other. You can make use of their tutorial. You see, go through everything. You see tutorial on everything you may be facing. You see their tutorial. That is not even all. They have special YouTube channel. Yes, check the pinned comment. I will drop their channel for you. You can go to their channel. You see a lot of tutorials in their YouTube channels. Yes, so which means you are not alone. I repeat, you are not alone to navigate through the website and understand how everything works. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video. You want to learn about crypto trading? Yes, I am there for you. I can give you one-on-one tutorial on how to be expert. Even though you are a newbie or you have been trading before, but you just need somebody to support you or somebody to mentor you. I'm there for you. To connect with me or to enroll for Sheidaro Crypto Academy, share the pinned comment. You see link to connect with me or to go enroll for my course. Please share this video. You have questions, drop it for me in the comment section and I'll respond to that as soon as possible. So please guys, make sure you like this video, and these videos, make sure you go watch them. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.